Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to discuss about last 6 months most important questions, that is from September 2024 to March 2025. Before proceeding to the video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. 1. Which country recently became the largest producer of renewable energy in 2025? Correct answer is B. China. 2. Which country hosted the 2025 United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP30? Correct answer is B. Brazil. 3. Which tech company introduced the world's first AI-powered smartphone with no physical buttons? Correct answer is D. 4. Which global financial institution announced a major digital currency initiative in 2025? Correct answer is B. International Monetary Fund, IMF. 5. Which major Indian politician was awarded the highest civilian of Mauritius in 2025? Correct answer is A. Narendra Modi. 6. Which country hosted the 2025 BRICS Summit? Correct answer is A. Brazil. 7. Which social media platform launched a premium AI-powered assistant in 2025? Correct answer is B. Twitter, X. 8. Which Indian bank recently became the first to implement blockchain-based transactions for retail customers? Correct answer is C. SBI. 9. Which international sports event will be hosted by Saudi Arabia in 2030? Correct answer is A. FIFA World Cup. 10. Which Indian city is set to get its first bullet train station by 2026? Correct answer is B. Ahmedabad. 11. Which Indian startup became a decacorn, valuation of $10 billion, in 2025? Correct answer is B. Ola Electric. 12. Which country overtook Germany as the world's second-largest car exporter in 2025? Correct answer is B. India. 13. Which space agency is planning to send humans to Mars by 2030? Correct answer is C. SpaceX. 14. Which country became the first to introduce a 4-day work week for all government employees in 2025? Correct answer is B. UAE. 15. Which country launched the first ever digital passport system in 2025? Correct answer is D. Singapore. 16. Which global event saw the highest ever online viewership in 2025? Correct answer is B. Indian Premier League, IPL, final. 17. Which European country became the first to ban single-use plastic completely in 2025? Correct answer is A. France. 18. Which Indian airport was ranked as the best in Asia in 2025? Correct answer is C. Kempe Gowda International Airport, Bangalore. 19. Which Indian company became the largest IT services provider in the world in 2025? Correct answer is B. TCS. 20. Which Indian politician became the finance minister in 2025? Correct answer is A. Nirmala Sitharaman. 21. Which Indian state announced the country's first 100% solar-powered city in 2025? Correct answer is A. Gujarat. 22. Which country became the world's biggest arms exporter in 2025? Correct answer is A. USA. 23. Which Asian country was hit by a massive earthquake in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Thailand. 24. Which Indian startup became the fastest growing unicorn in 2025? Correct answer is C. Mensa Brand S. 25. Which African country officially adopted Bitcoin as legal tender in 2025? Correct answer is A. Nigeria. 26. Which cricketer announced retirement from one-day internationals cricket in 2025? Correct answer is B. Steve Smith. 27. Which Bollywood movie became the highest-grossing Indian film of 2025 so far? Correct answer is C. Pushpa 2. 28. Which country launched the first 6G satellite in 2025? Correct answer is B. Japan. 29. Which country hosts the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup? Correct answer is C. America. 30. Which country became the first to use lab-grown meat in commercial restaurants legally in 2025? Correct answer is B. USA. 31. Which company recently became the first to produce a commercial AI-powered humanoid robot? Correct answer is A. Tesla. 32. Which Indian city was ranked as the most livable in the 2024 Global Livability Index? Correct answer is B. Bangalore. 33. Which country recently launched the world's first AI-powered national security system in 2025? Correct answer is B. China. 34. Which country passed a controversial social media regulation law in early 2025? Correct answer is C. UK. 35. Which country recently launched the world's first hydrogen-powered commercial airplane? Correct answer is D. UK. 36. Which global tech company announced a major investment in quantum computing in 2025? Correct answer is B. IBM. 37. Which space agency successfully landed a probe on an asteroid in February 2025? Correct answer is A. NASA. 38. Which country became the first in the world to launch a digital currency backed entirely by artificial intelligence? Correct answer is B. UAE. 39. Which Indian state recorded the highest voter turnout in the 2024 general elections? Correct answer is C. Kerala. 40. Which country won the 2024 ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Correct answer is A. India. 41. Which country will host the 2025 G20 Summit? Correct answer is A. Brazil. 42. Which organization's CEO did China's President Xi Jinping meet in March 2025 to discuss supply chain stability? Correct answer is A. Amazon. 43. Which virus outbreak caused global health concerns in October 2024? Correct answer is B. Marburg. 44. Which country saw a major economic slowdown due to US trade tariffs announced in April 2025? Correct answer is A. China. 45. Which country's president declared martial law in December 2024, leading to an impeachment crisis? Correct answer is A. South Korea. 46. What was the main reason for the latest first snowfall record on Mount Fuji in October 2024? Correct answer is B. Climate change. 47. Which country enacted the world's first comprehensive AI regulation law in March 2024? Correct answer is C. European Union. 48. Which international organization passed a resolution demanding a ceasefire in Gaza in March 2024? Correct answer is B. United Nations Security Council. 49. Which country hosted the 38th National Games in January 2025? Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. 50. Which Middle Eastern city was hit by Israeli airstrikes in April 2025? Correct answer is C. Beirut. 51. Which actress was named the first Indian brand ambassador for Dior in October 2024? Correct answer is D. Sonam. 52. What was the main reason for the decline in US consumer sentiment in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Trade war fears. 53. Which country faced its first ever Marburg virus outbreak in October 2024? Correct answer is B. Rwanda. 54. Which AI company partnered with Reliance to build AI infrastructure in India? Correct answer is C. Nvidia. 55. Which country recently opted out of China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI? Correct answer is B. Brazil. 56. Which country became the 32nd member of NATO in March 2024? Correct answer is B. Sweden. 57. Which Indian airline placed the largest aircraft order in aviation history in 2025? Correct answer is B. Indigo. 58. Which country successfully tested the world's first quantum internet network in 2025? Correct answer is A. China. 59. Which Indian city hosted the 2025 Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention? Correct answer is B. Odisha. 60. Which space mission discovered signs of microbial life on an exoplanet in 2025? Correct answer is A. James Webb Space Telescope. Thank you so much for watching PLS. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel.